guys, so once you've got your lights selected, again, the next step is really just going and starting to place your lights where you think they're going to look best. You're going to want to come back at night anyway and see how they look when they're actually lit up. But usually what I do just to get started, I've got my lights, I've kind of placed them everywhere around the property that I'm going to bury them or place them. Then I grab my shovel, I just dig a small hole so that I can get that ground stake started. And then to make sure it's really secure, especially with a path light, and that's why you guys want to get something that's got a good ground stake. I mean, this is an 8-inch, super durable, super heavy-duty ground stake, and that's why we use stuff like FX Luminaire in all our projects. We get asked all the time, is there other brands out there? And of course there is, but we only offer what I know that I can guarantee and that I've worked with and that is really good bang for your buck. So that's why we install these, because the little things like that, you just get a super duty ground stake, you get a really durable light, and then I go around and I take my rubber mallet to really make sure I get that light nice and secure, especially for path light, because they are a little bit taller, they're more prone to getting knocked over and stuff, so I want to make sure that's nice and secure. So with my ground stake, I'm just going to pound that in, make sure I get it as level as possible, take my fixture now and screw it in there, and then I'm going to kind of step back and make sure that it's, you know, it's nice and straight, and leave an extra a nice little hole by the light so that I can do all my wiring connections, bury that up, come back at night, see how it looks, and then tomorrow I'll come back and we'll just bury everything. But pretty simple, just get those lights placed, use a rubber mallet. It's going to save you a lot of headache, and to make sure that light gets a lot more durable in the ground.